So season one, I remember, was so many firsts, yeah, Karina? The first time you ever became an RJ. Tell me, how are you feeling about that, yeah?
Now I'm a pro.
You're a pro?
Yeah.
The first time we ever conceptualized a show to figure what women really want. The first time we had guests like Prajakta Kohli, Malaika Arora, Zoya Akhtar, Sani Leone. I mean,
Yeah.
so many people. Yeah, all the memories must be coming back
Of
right now,
course.
na?
Season one was very, very special, of course, but I think season two, we've really, really killed it. The entire team, the way they've come up with this kind of a concept, because, we're talking with people more. We've had इतने सारे interesting guests हमारे show पर आए हैं. जैसे आज तीनों जो इंटरव्यूज हुए, चाहे वो तापसी पन्नू की थी, मालिनी अग्रवाल थी, आपकी, और को a journalist who was there, and I was like, she was like, this is like role reversal happening right now. We've had so many people, and then the wonderful Sonali Bendre, अपनी इतनी अलग अलग फील्ड्स के अलग अलग कहानियों से हम सामने लाए हैं, for people to hear them with their heart wrenching stories. I think this season has been, I think, an eye opener, not for me. I think it's going to be an eye opener for millions and millions of listeners out there. And
You know,
I think I'm actually proud to be an RJ on
that's
a
what I
show
want to
that's talking
know.
about women. This it's just fabulous because
मैं अकेली ताली बजा रही
हम
हूँ. What is
सब
this? What is this, guys?
हम सब हम बात करते हैं कि औरत को ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए, औरत को वैसी होनी चाहिए, वैसे होना चाहिए, औरत को ऐसे कपड़े पहनने चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, बट औरत को एक्चुअली क्या चाहिए, ये आई थिंक हम वो सवाल उसको ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते. And that is what my show is about, that to bring out stories, to bring out things that actually what we women want. And in fact, I'm hearing that the men are enjoying this show a lot, because
yeah.
all the men on our set also were enjoying the conversations this time, so
I'm
they
looking-
actually listen to it more.
I'm looking at the comment section of our trailer. Have you guys seen the trailer? Of Dabur Amla, What Women Want, co-powered by Chai. My God, it's left me with so many questions, but I have to tell you, there are some mummy papa wale comments also कि हमारी पू ना, हमारी बेबू ना ज़्यादा confident लग रही from season 1 to season 2.
Of course.
Really, you agree? You feel like you've learned like a lot over the course of
No,
just
I think
being-
now I enjoy it also, and I think now what women want and the show has kind of become synonymous with me.
Yeah.
I think I tend to do that because it just kind of connects
Yeah.
instantly. So now in fact, wherever I go now, like I said, airport toilets, flights, the first thing I have is like people come up to me and say, "What a show." Yeah, or like I can't tell you, I've had like at least 20-25 people come up to me and tell me that kya show hai, and they're so they can't believe the kind of topics and the way people like actors and celebrities are opening up and talking so much and so openly,
And it's so normalizing. But in the trailer, I saw the trailer and I had a bunch of questions. I mean, why is Saif on earth telling you don't attack the maid? क्या चल रहा है घर पे?
Did he say that?
Yeah, somewhere along the video he's like, don't attack the maid, and I'm like, what?
Oh
क्या चल रहा है?
God, no, but in fact, I think the show has had we had Soha last season, और हमारी show की शुरुआत होने जा रही है with Sharmila ji, and
Which might I add drops tomorrow. The
yes,
first
the
episode
first
is
episode.
on Ishq. You have to say it. You just
know,
go
of
ahead.
course, the first episode is dropping tomorrow, and in fact, we've had the whole family on the show, which I think is amazing. And in fact, yeah, let's see what Sharmila ji has to say about me. मैंने बहुत कुछ कहा है उनके बारे में. कल पता चलेगा कि वो मेरे बारे में क्या कहेंगी.
A little birdie told me that you asked her to criticize you. Why would you do that with your mom-in-law?
No, why? But why not? I'm saying like be open and say what she would feel. So now you all will know tomorrow.
Fantastic. All right. So, where are my questions? Very quickly, I will ask my last question. One learning from season 1 to season 2 that really cut code with you. Okay, you know what? This is going to stay with me. It's like a personal impact that it made on me as you went along from being an RJ on season 1 to season 2. Something that you will take forward also with you, hopefully in season 3.
I think that we're still not done with what women want, because there's so much to talk about, or so much to dig into, which that season 1 wasn't enough, इसलिए हम season 2 पे चले गए. सीजन 2 में ऑफ कोर्स बहुत बातें हुई, बहुत अलग अलग कहानियाँ दर्शाए गए, दिखाए गए, लोगों ने सुना कि कैसे पीपल हैव वेदर इट्स सेल्फ लव, वेदर इट्स विमेन सेफ्टी, बहुत बहुत अलग टॉपिक्स, फैमिली, लाइक माई मदर इन लॉ हैज स्पोकन अबाउट, सैफ हैज स्पोकन अबाउट बीइंग अ मॉडर्न हस्बैंड. बट आई फील दैट वे समवेयर नॉट डन येट, क्योंकि जैसे आपको पता है कि हम औरतें जो है हमारी दिल कभी भरती नहीं है और पेट भी भरता नहीं है. तो वैसे भी आई होप कि हमारे लिसनर्स के पेट नहीं भरे और हम सीजन 3 की तरफ जाएं और बातें हों हमारे इस देश में कि विमेन के बारे में, खास करके कि उन्हें क्या चाहिए एक्चुअल में. एंड आई होप दैट द शो गोज ऑन फॉर एवर, बिकॉज यस, we'll never know. We want women to always keep asking questions and telling their stories.
What
and
women
men
want.
to always know what women want.
For the win, guys, give it a huge round of applause. Dabur Amla, What Women Want. Season 2 co-powered by Chenny Chenny Chai. One question, I know तुम लोगों को बहुत सारे सवाल पूछने हैं, लेकिन who was like the funnest and like the most appetizing interview that you had?
Oh God.
याद करो. Was it Karthik Aryan? Who's it? Who's it?
Karthik Aryan bhi hamare show. Yes, of course. That was also a lot of fun. But we've had such, I don't know, yeah, all the guests were so special because, they all took out so much time. इतने सारे celebrities अपने busy schedules से वक्त लेकर के हमारे शो पर आए. एंड ये वैसे वाला शो नहीं है जैसे हम frivolously कुछ बात कर रहे हैं उस टॉपिक की. we're talking about stories, personal events, personal, their life stories, that what they have gone through. So I think to pick one guest would be
The right answer.
yeah, it wouldn't be the right answer.
It would be.
But I can always say that, yeah, picking Saif is the right answer.
It's the safest
Because
answer.
no, it's not the safest, it's the best. Whether personally or professionally, it's the best choice that I've picked.
Can't beat this woman.
Yeah,
Not
can't
at all.
argue with that.
She knows exactly what she wants. And now I'm going to be leaving the floor for the media to ask questions. Kindly stick to what we know. Dabur Amla, What Women Want, co-powered by Chenny Chenny Chai, Season 2 on 104.8-ish.
करीना जी, सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, आपने पूरे इंडस्ट्री में 20 साल कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं. हम ऐसे देखते हैं कि हमारे इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे ऐसे एक्टर हैं जिनके पास काम नहीं है, लेकिन आपने मतलब हर साल हिट फिल्में दी हैं एंड ऐसे अपने स्टारडम को मेंटेन रखा है. तो कैसे करती हैं करीना जी ये? एंड हाँ, पहले तो ये जानना चाहेंगे.
I think कुछ प्लान नहीं है. I don't know. I think ऐसे कुछ, there's no fixed rule. But I think हाँ, of course बहुत कम हुआ है ऐसे. But मैं अपने काम में of course बहुत लगाव रखती हूँ, बहुत इमोशनल हूँ, पैशनेट हूँ. औरत होने के नाते हम ज़्यादा हर चीज़ को एक नॉच ऊपर लेते हैं. एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली आई थिंक व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड. बहुत सारे लोगों ने कहा ना कि शादी के बाद कुछ नहीं होगा, एक बच्चे के बाद भी कुछ नहीं होगा. बट आई थिंक वी विमेन आर फाइटर्स एंड वी लाइक टू गो अगेंस्ट द रूल एंड गो अगेंस्ट द टाइड, ब्रेक अ फ्यू सीलिंग्स हियर एंड देयर. तो आई थिंक वैसे ही कुछ हुआ है मेरे साथ भी. एंड अच्छा लगता है जब लोग कहते हैं कि ये नहीं कर पाएगी, वो नहीं कर पाएगी. तो फिर चैलेंज करना और अपने आप को चैलेंज करना, आई थिंक वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
डबल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन इसलिए क्योंकि आपकी जो फिल्म गुड न्यूज़ आ रही है, ट्रेलर हमने देखा एंड गाने देख रहे हैं, मतलब सुपर्ब हैं, लोगों को बहुत पसंद आ रहे हैं. सो अब कुछ ही दिन बाकी रह गए हैं रिलीज डेट को, तो कितना बेसब्री से इंतज़ार है गुड न्यूज़ के लिए?
या आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स द फिल्म, पिक्चर तो बहुत ही अच्छी फिल्म है, बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है. क्रिसमस पे रिलीज होगी, तो आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी अ ग्रेट राइड एंड आई थिंक दैट यस, द ईयर इज गोना एंड विद अ बैंग.
शो से रिलेटेड भी सवाल करना है क्योंकि इन सब का कहना है, तो आप बता दीजिए कि कैसा रहा आपका एक्सपीरियंस.
अभी तो बताया अभी पूरा कि क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा
ऐसे
है.
जैसा कि बात हुई मेन की भी बात हो रही है, तो क्या सैफ जी को हम देखेंगे, वो आएंगे ऐसे कुछ?
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स सैफ तो आए हुए हैं, आपने प्रोमो में देखा, ही इज देयर इन द शो. एंड
आपने ट्रेलर नहीं देखा, आप जाके ट्रेलर देखिए.
in fact his episode was also quite fun. तो जैसे मैंने कहा कि पूरी फैमिली है हमारे शो पर, इट्स अ फैमिली शो.
और कौन कौन आएंगे अगर आप कुछ थोड़ा सा बता सकें?
कौन कौन आए हैं हमारे शो पे? काफ़ी कुछ लोग आए हैं. there's been so many people, whether it was कार्तिक आर्यन, आज तापसी पन्नू थी, सोनाली बेंद्रे, लीसा रे, कल्की कोचलिन. we've had so many different kind of people come on the show and share their experiences with us.
एक मेरी तरफ से आखिरी सवाल करीना जी, ऐसे क्योंकि आपने कहा कि वुमेन का कभी पेट भरता नहीं। तो आप बताइए ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिसका बेसब्री से अभी भी करीना जी को ऐसे इंतज़ार है कि हाँ, ये चीज़ चाहिए करीना जी को लाइफ में अचीव करना है?
अचीव तो कुछ नहीं, आई थिंक आई थिंक आइडिया इज कि जैसे मैंने कहा कि जिस दिन हम कहें कि नहीं सब कुछ अचीव कर लिया है, फिर वो भूख नहीं लगती है। आई थिंक वो भूख कभी मिटनी नहीं चाहिए, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग अबाउट मी विच आई ऑलवेज वांट टू हैव, एंड आई वांट टू कीप वर्किंग एंड कंटिन्यू वर्किंग। सो अचीव करना तो अभी बहुत बाकी है।
ऐसे
Moving along to the next person, please.
ओके, एक आखिरी ये सोशल मीडिया
अरे
पर
अरे अरे एक
सोशल
please
मीडिया पर
please it's
ऐसे-
important that we have other people also. We'll come in eventually.
Hi, Karina. Congratulations on the show. I just wanted to know, like, in this season, you have a lot of like male actors coming in. How was the conversation different from like having women? And
Well, I think it's more insightful when a man also comes on the show and breaks it a little bit, whether it was
Perspective.
Karthik or Saif. It's important to have their point of view as well on a woman's show and to know like what, they think, women want. Because Saif is technically, he's married and he's also a working husband. I'm also a working wife. So to hear his thoughts on, the way he would perceive me or the way he looks at me or the way he looks at me as a mother and a wife, I think people would be really very interested in knowing his point of view.
yeah. And I just wanted to know, 2019 has been great for you, and with New Year, good news coming up. So, how are you planning to like end the year? Your New Year plans?
Well, nothing in particular. Just want to end the year with my family and with my son. And yeah, nothing special as such planned.
With her voice on the airwaves.
Yeah, exactly. That's for sure. Voice
Yeah.
everywhere.
Everywhere. And if you were to like one dream guest that you would want on your show?
Are you guys listening?
Yes. Oh, God. Well, we've achieved a lot. We've had everyone. Whoever we wanted, we've got.
That's great.
So yeah, and let's leave some also for season 3.
Yeah. So looking forward to season 3. Thank you.
Karina, congrats on the season 2. Karthik Aryan is also going to be on the show, and we have seen the two of you a lot together these days, with events and also this show now. So can we expect a film also with you and Karthik perhaps in future?
Well, I'm sure अगर कोई script होगी और जिस script में we both like the script, then I'm sure, of course, why not? सबने पूछ लिया.
अरे
Hi, Karina. Hi, Karina. You're looking fabulous. My question is कि जब तैमूर बड़ा होगा तो आप उन्हें कौन सा एपिसोड दिखाएंगी सीजन 2 का?
Well, hopefully Taimur would be interested in watching each and every episode, because it's not just, well, like I said, one thing that we've tapped upon what women want. I want him to also, hopefully by then when he grows up, he will grow up knowing, what women want, because he has a working mother at home. He understands that. वो अभी भी मेरे साथ travel कर रहे हैं हर जगह. उन्हें थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ भी आ रहा है कि हम शूट पे जाते घर आते उनके साथ खाना खाते. तो he is learning to respect, I feel, women in that turn, because I tell him that now, like Amma's going to work and I have to work because it's what I want to do, and I will come back as soon as I can. And he does understand. Sometimes now he started talking, he'll say have a good shoot. So hopefully, that love, that respect, he will understand, what actually women want.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you.
if I will एक last question मैं पूछूं. How did you convince Saif to come on the show? Like, what did you tell him that this is happening? How did he say yes? What happened there?
Actually, he was the toughest to convince, because he is इतना वो घर पे है, he's my husband, and इतना ड्रामा कर रहा था वो कि क्या हाँ क्यों आओ क्या बात करेंगे हम, and you're just saying this and you're just, I said, अरे it's my show, why do you want me on your show? And I think Saif's like always like, okay, fine. he's like a person who's silently always proud of me. He like wants me to like go out there and achieve and do what I want. And he's always, smiling and silently watching. So he was like, really, what should I do? So actually, we've managed to convince him, and yeah, but yeah, he troubled us.
He did. Man, I'm not silently. I'm very roaringly proud of you. And we have another
हाय
question.
करीना करीना दोनों सीजन्स में सिर्फ फिल्म स्टार्स नहीं रहे हैं और जो गेस्ट रहे हैं दे हैव बीन गेस्ट फ्रॉम ऑल बॉक्स ऑफ
course,
लाइफ
absolutely.
बट क्या सोच के आपने गेस्ट को सिलेक्ट किया कि अच्छा आई चूज दिस गेस्ट
I think जिसकी कहानी एक ऐसी कहानी हो जिस that can help women and men, you know, through their stories, through their life experiences. I think those are the kind of people that we've tried to get on the show, you know. I mean, let's say, like you said, stars तो है ही, जैसे मैंने कहा ये वैसी वाली शो नहीं है जिस शो पे सिर्फ सुपर स्टार्स आते हैं एंड बात करते हैं अपनी लाइफ के बारे में, अपनी जर्नी के बारे में. आई थिंक इट्स नॉट दैट. दिस शो एक 20 मिनट्स का सेगमेंट है, बट in those 20 minutes, each and every person, a human side to them has come out, whether a celebrity or non-celebrity, and that is what women want. Our USP of our show is.
थैंक यू
All right. I feel like we're done. Can we have the photo ops now?